everybody, it's Isabel here. Today, I have something super exciting for you. I'm going to show you how to create your very own YouTube channel. And I'm only 8 years old, so if I can do it, you can too. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Brainstorm your channel idea. First things first, you need to come up with an awesome idea for your channel. What are you passionate about? What do you like to do? It might be games, toys, or even crafts. I like books and cooking, so on my channel, since I'm an author, I do book reviews and cooking videos. Like, subscribe, and share if you're a book lover too. Write down topics and pick ones that make you smile. Trust me, when you love what you're doing, others will love it too, and it won't feel like a job. Step 2. Set up your channel. Next, ask a parent or guardian to help you create your channel. Go to YouTube, sign in, and click Create a Channel. Once you've done this, come up with a catchy name that matches your niche. My channel is all about books, so I came up with the title, Life of a Little Author. Don't forget to add a profile picture and banner. These make your channel look amazing. Canva is a great tool to use to design them. Step 3. Plan your videos. Now it's time to plan your videos. Make a list of fun ideas that you can use for your channel. For example, my first video was an introduction of me and my book, Super Student Save the Day. What will yours be? Comment below and let me know. Step 4. Film and edit. Now, all you need to do is grab a phone or camera and just start filming. Be yourself, have fun, and smile. Don't worry if it's not perfect. A bunch of YouTubers' first videos suck, like Mr. Beast's first video and my first video. You need to go watch it. It was bad, really bad. Just keep doing your thing and don't worry, because practice makes progress and progress makes perfection. And you can also edit it later. I like to use CapCut because it's free and super easy. Step 5. Upload and share. Finally, upload your video to YouTube. Add a catchy title like this one, An 8-Year-Old's Guide to Creating a YouTube Channel. Don't forget to add a description with keywords so people can find your video. Share it with your friends and family. They'll be your first subscribers. Well, that's it. You're a YouTuber. Don't forget to post regularly and have fun. Well, that's all for today. I hope this video helped you. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share, and I hope you have a great week. Bye!
Go.
Happy New Year! Welcome to 2025! I'm done! I'm done! Because practice makes progress, and progress makes perfection.